Hello friends, I hope you're doing well, and here best graphic products bundle for Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. All files are protected and you need subscription for access of my all files. Go to sheri.com and get subscription one time for lifetime access. Okay, close up Mockup version 1. For example, I open this one, fabric in Photoshop. Wow, you can import your image or logo and replace here, automatically replaced here. Next, 5 close-up logo Mockup version 2, silver, metal, paint, stamp and wood, different style. Next, vintage overlay for images. These are not JPG file, these are PSD. Okay, for example, I open this one in Photoshop. Okay, so now we need a photo for work. Okay, replace handy photo, double click here, open this one, close it, enter Ctrl S for saving, and you see our image here. Next, same thing, version 2, so you can import your image one by one. Here 5 things in just single PSD, and size is 584 MBs. These are this is TIFF file. Next, same thing here, TIFF file 614 MB. Here vintage overlay mockup, so you can import your photo or text here. Here total 10 files, 28 watercolor, 75 layout, web design, wireframe kit, header, page, job, portfolio, slider, Photoshop file, not PS or JPG. 150 nature photo. All files are high definition. Open this one. Wow, insects. 150 wood design. You can use in any background. Okay, here. Fashion magazine print templates for Adobe InDesign. Next, multi-purpose magazine layout for InDesign. Okay, grocery, panic font, rainy date photo effects. You can import your photo for rainy effect. Redo ad generator, so you can post your own design. For example, I know you know how to use in Photoshop. Just open your image and press Ctrl S. Wow, Coca-Cola. I write my name, my channel name, Sheri SK, style like this one. Enter Ctrl S. Updating smart object. Wait. No. Amazing. My name is here. So you can do it. No. Sign generator and snow overlay. This is not single file, there are many files, and here font. I hope these are useful for you. subscribe us and get subscription for us. Take care, love.